And now we can start our steep approach here.
Okay.
So we slow down to a really slow walking pace. So slow down more.
Slow down more?
Yep. One has this really slow walking pace. And not more than 300 feet per minute descent rate.
Okay.
Let's slow down more a little bit here.
Yeah.
Now we have our vibrations here.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 2991 Mike Echo,
forward
holding
here.
short 26
Because we
left,
see
requesting
we
a
have
straight out
400
departure.
feet.
Okay.
Just a little bit more forward here.
Mike Echo, Long Beach Tower, approved, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Now,
26
raise
left, clear for
collective,
takeoff.
left pedal, forward cycling to level off. Okay. Let's go back to number 4.
Okay.
Right, clear left. And do a sideways hover, we have high enough. Okay.
Okay.
And we do another set down here. Okay, let's see where the wind's coming from, what's feeling most stable for you. I think, look, when you look at the windsock, it's changed more to a west wind now.
Yeah, west wind.
And you see also that our trim string's getting deflected more to the left, so we have to turn a little bit more to the right.
Okay.
Okay. Now a little bit aft.
Actually for here.
Yes. A little bit aft.
Aft.
Said you're really over the pad? Okay. Now once you're stable, let's do a set down here.
Okay.
Okay, what we don't want to do is we don't want to move backwards.
Yeah.
So once you're on the ground, collective down.
Collective
okay?
down. Okay. Okay. First carpet down.
Yep, carpet down.
Carpet
We
down.
have 7 landings. Landing number 8 will be Maverick, so we do a normal pickup here.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3 green, F center, curve time is out of yellow, no warning light, no caution light, heavy is green.
Yep, normal pickup.
No more pickup. Okay.
So let's check runway 30.
Runway 30. Yeah, no traffic.
Yep, I don't see anyone.
Yeah. So request a landing at Maverick.
Landing at Maverick now.
Okay.
Yep.
Turn to the right. Okay. Long Beach Tower Helicopter 80 Hotel, pad 4 request a landing at Maverick.
Helicopter 80 Hotel, pad 4, clear for takeoff.
Pad 4 clear for takeoff, Helicopter 80 Hotel.
So here was transverse flow. Just push a little bit more through. A little bit more here. Okay, now out cycling.
Cycling.
Raise to 23 inches.
Yeah.
Southwest
And now
786, Long Beach Tower, runway 30,
60 knots.
line.
60 knots.
60 knots pitch altitude.
Yeah.
Helicopter 426, pass 3, request landing in Maverick. Helicopter 426, pass 3, still take off.
Lift forward.
Pass 3, clear for takeoff, helicopter 426.
A little
Number
bit
1
more
Mike Echo,
forward,
frequency change.
so that we don't lose too much airspeed here.
Frequency change approved, 1 Mike Echo.
Hotel 3 Hotel, landing Maverick, be at turner.
Let it go Maverick, your Bill Murray, helicopter 83 Hotel.
Right,
Right.
to your left.
Light forward.
Up. Your left.
Light
Yep.
forward.
Keep pushing forward so we are not losing too much airspeed.
Okay.
Okay, here we want to keep our 60 knots
60
and
knots.
lower collective a little bit so that we start descending here.
Okay.
Right.
Light, left, forward.
Yeah. And here I will help you here a little bit because it's hard to see when you don't know exactly where the green runner pads are.
Yeah.
So that we are not overshooting too much here. Clear right, clear left.
Light, left, forward.
So, yep. So we start turning here
Turning here.
because we see them last minute. They should come up here. See, they're here now. Yep.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay.
Helicopter 426,
Right.
landing Maverick, be at turner.
Clear left.
Yeah.
Landing in Murray, Omar West, helicopter 426.
And now, normal landing, normal approach to Maverick.
Okay.
So let's descend here more.
Descending here.
Yep.
Long Beach Tower, Scout 3761
So we are a little getting high here.
That's 3761,
So
Long Tower,
keep
runway
lowering
30,
collective.
Lower and runway 30, Scout 3761.
A little bit more right pedals that we fly in trim again. Yep.
Yeah.
Good.
Keep
Okay.
the forward.
Yeah, keep forward and now slow down a little bit. The closer we get to our landing spot, the more we have to slow down.
Okay.
Okay. So slowly. And you see this intersection here where we have suspend. If nobody is here, this is where we want to land. Okay?
Okay.
Keep going here.
Keep going.
So here, a little bit more. So this here actually. You see suspend here?
Yeah.
This is your goal to land. Okay?
Go to land.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, clear left, clear right.
Forward.
So now, hover taxi forward.
Yeah. Forward here.
Over here.
Over here.
Yep,
Okay.
because 426 is landing next to us.
Okay.
Okay, so you always aim for the spot here. Okay, so we come to a hover here. So stop here. Clear right, clear left,
Left,
left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
Okay, and we're gonna do a set down here.
Sit down in here.
Yep,
Okay.
set down here. So this is something what we try to avoid. This movement, this hopping to the right or to the left.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we have to do now?
Okay. Friction on.
Nope.
Throttle down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Always throttle down first and
Yeah.
then friction on.
Okay. Full to 75.
Southwest 786, taxi to the gate, 3 kilo remaining with me.
Okay. Friction on.
Kilo 3 gate
Yep.
with you, Southwest 786.
Right. Friction on. Wait for 3 minutes.
Yep. I'm gonna try to turn our. Yep. I started our timer.
Yep.
Cyclic friction is on, collective friction is on.
I love night flights because the landscape.
Yeah, I love it too. Especially when you fly over
Yeah.
here, when we fly to the north, when we fly,
Yeah.
when we fly to the east,
Yeah.
northeast, when we go to Corona first,
Yeah.
looks completely different, and on the way back we fly to downtown Los Angeles.
Yeah.
So we will fly our downtown Los Angeles.
Oh,
We
really?
will, yep, We will fly to Dodger Stadium, Griffith Observatory,
Wow.
and to the Hollywood sign.
Oh, sounds cool.
And this is how it looks when we fly at night. This is what I took. This was Christmas last year.
Christmas?
Yeah, this was downtown Los Angeles.
Wow.
And this is what I took when we fly around.
Perfect.
Yeah. So this is what we're gonna do for our night cross country.
Yeah.
But for our night cross country, we only do 2 landings.
2 landings?
Yeah. This is why we did 8 today. And for our regulations, okay, RPM above 70.
75.
We want to keep it out of the yellow. Yep, perfect here. You can keep it here. We need, so for your private pilot license, you need to do at least 3 hours at night.
Yeah.
You need to have a night cross country of at least 25 nautical miles away. And we need at least 10 night landings. So we did 8 landings today.
Yeah.
It's probably going to be a 1.3, what we did as a flight time.
Yeah, 1.3.
And we have to do, so we have almost everything fulfilled now, so we only have to do the night cross country.
Yeah.
And with the night cross country, we will do 1 landing in Corona.
1 Corona?
Yeah, 1 Corona and 1 here. So landing
here.
in Corona is landing number 1, landing at Maverick is number 2. Okay, so this is why we did 8 landings today. Said we get to, when we come back from our night cross country, said we have our 10 landings.
10 landings.
Yep. And we need a minimum, so the more is better, but we need at least a minimum of 3 hours at night.
Yeah.
And we probably will have 3.5 hours nighttime
okay.
after the night cross country.